Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $76.54. Okay, it has already made a high of around $79, which I've already explained you. Chances will be very high that if the price keeps sustaining above 79, a further upside movement we can see. Clearly there is an indication towards an upside, but this is a good volatility we can see, because at a lower level of around $67.73, which is a low of this particular zone, after that there is a fall, there is a continuous upside. Okay, after this upside, what you have seen, it has made a half around $79.3. Okay, and from that there is a sharp fall that you can see a red candle is forming. After that there is a upside. Okay, and from 2 weeks there is an up green candle as well as red candle is forming. So we can see the range of from, you can say, from November of 23, there is a high of around 79.3 and a low of around 67.8. so this is the range where the price of crude is moving for so long. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that dollar index also, then only you will understand how the price of crude can move. It is also playing an important factors when the price of crude or other commodities move. See, now the dollar index forming a red candle. Dollar index price started moving below a level of 103. There will be higher chances that we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, but if started moving above a level of 104.8, okay, or 35, there will be higher chances that we can see dollar index will move, which create a downfall in the price of crude also. Okay, and if it move below level of 103, it can go further high. Now let's see towards a crude. So what you can see looking at this particular chart, chances can be high that if the price started going above this particular level, a level of 77.37, then we can see there will be a trend towards an upside. Because okay, and if it started going above that level, we will see it will go towards a level of 70. This particular resistance will support it level. So suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $77.36. Will move further high, that we can see it can go towards a level of, so if it started moving above a level of 78.7, then a further upside we can see towards a level of 78.9. Started moving above that particular zone, we will see a level of $79.82. Okay, and then there will be a breakout towards an upside, because the price can go towards a level of 80.84, and if the price started sustaining above that particular zone, there is a higher chances that we can started sustaining of 83.46. A further upside we can see towards a level of $85. Moving above $85, a further high we can see towards a level of around, you can say, $86, and from there a profit $87.7. Okay, and once the price started sustaining $87.7, a further upside we can see towards 88, and then you can see a further upside, because this pattern will support if the price keeps sustaining above $88, $85, then the chance of touching 88 will be there, and then towards a level of around 89, and then a further upside towards 92. Particular chart, see, as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. If you look at this particular trend, there is a continuous downfall if you look from October of 23, but if you look at from December of 23, there is an upside, but this is very in a good volatility. We can, if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards a level of 76.24. Price started falling below that particular zone, a further downfall. So if the price started falling below a level of 74.24, then there is higher chances that it can go towards a level of 72.57. Okay, and then there is a probability that it can move towards a level of 70.5. Probability of going towards a level of 68 also. A level of 68, a further